Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. It's time to make our sense of hearing more strong by playing this Guess the Sound game. I'll be playing 20 sounds one by one which are to be recognized by you. So let's get started. Birds are chirping. Wind is blowing. Photo clicking. It's thunderstorm. Applause. Car pass over fast. Typewriter. It's a sound of door. TV noise. Paper turning. Dog is barking. Glass breaking. Someone is burping long. It's a sound of sleigh bells. Train whistle. It's a fly. Horse is running. It's a mosquito. Helicopter flying in the air. Footsteps on the snow. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.